Today, we are reviewing the roles of the AliTrack Company Admin and Company Group Admin. These roles manage the setup of departments and users and can run reports. This first section shows how to add and remove departments to your facility profile. Both roles can access facility profiles by navigating to Facilities in the left side menu. The Company Group Admin is a super user with access to all facilities in the system, whereas the Company Admin only has access to their facility profile. Let's start at the My Facility Profile screen. Scroll down to the Department section and click the blue Add New Department button. Choose a department name from the drop-down menu. You can also add a subdepartment or nickname. This subdepartment name now appears in your account and is a great way to customize AliTrack for your facility. If you don't select a subdepartment name, it will default to the department name. Why choose a subdepartment name? Your facility may use different terminology than the built-in choices. If your department name isn't listed, choose Other as the department, then enter a name in the subdepartment field. Continue to add as many departments as needed. Then scroll back to the top to save your changes. If you need to remove a department, simply click the gray Remove button next to that department. Please note that any garments currently listed with that department will keep that department name until they are reassigned to a new one. Then scroll back to the top to save your changes. This next section shows how to manage your company's AliTrack users. In the left side menu, navigate to AliTrack Users, then click View Users. This page provides an overview of role assignments and allows editing of user profiles. If you have several users, you can filter the list by choosing a user role and clicking Filter. The selected role is shown below in blue. To remove the filter, click the X or clear all filters. You can edit a user by clicking the user ID number to the left of the username or the edit link on the far right. Now, let's add a new user. From this page, you can use the quick link at the top or click Add User in the left side menu. For each new user, enter the required fields, including name, email, and facility. The username and password default to the user's email address, but as we'll show at the end of this section, the user can change their password at any time. Under Facility, start typing the name to show preset options from your account. Check the box next to Account Primary Contact if this is a user AliMed should contact for any administrative questions. Under Account Management, you can also set the user's status to active or inactive and add the user's role. Under General Info, you can send an email noting the user's role creation and select other important notifications. Then, save your changes in the Action Items area. The last part of the user module to review is the My User Profile. This page allows changes to a user's personal profile, including their password. It also shows any roles that have oversight of that user. This final section covers the reporting features of AliTrack. In the left side menu, navigate to Reports. Then, under Company, start typing the keyword for the facility to view available options. Next, under Template, choose one of 4 reporting options. We'll cover each report in more detail shortly. The Action Items area for all report types is on the right side of the screen. The blue Run Report button generates the selected report option when clicked. To export a report, click the appropriate button to save your data in spreadsheet or PDF format. Let's review the Inspector's Report. This report includes important pass-fail details for each inventory item within a specified date range and is the report most often shared with the Joint Commission or another auditing body. Only inspected items appear in this report. A common function for all reports is the filtering option. You may filter for item status, inspection finding, or the last inspection timeline. Next, let's look at the Inspections Activity Report. Specify a date range to view a history of all garments inspected during that time. This report is excellent for keeping track of intermediate inspections performed throughout the year, such as cleaning inspections. Now, we'll review the Inspections Due report. This is your workhorse report, which color codes each inventory item according to its inspection date in relation to when the report is generated. This report is critical for managing your day-to-day inspection activities and identifying items that have inspections due. All inventory items will appear in your report. Items without inspection dates will show as red for past due. Lastly, the inventory item report generates a list of all your inventory items. This report is only available for AliTrack Pro customers.